So I was doing a little work to get ready for our design session, and I kind of wanted to show you what I was thinking and where like we can get some footprints and stuff. So here I've got Fusion360, and hopefully everyone can get access to Fusion. That's making a circuit board, making the shield. And the first step we did or was thinking about is finding like the footprints and all the basically, so I don't have to start from scratch when we're building this. So on Eagle's website, I found Arduino footprint library. So basically, you just download this and we extract it. And basically, what that's going to include is a schematic file and a library file. So we're to import the library into Fusion so we can use it. First thing we're going to do is, so if we're starting a brand new electronic design, we'll do that in the meeting, but let's go actually just open up, this is my test project, Arduino Shield. There was some thrown around like temperature and humidity, so I have a sensor. Let me go into this real quick. So this is going to be our schematic, and then here's the Arduino schematic symbol, and I got that by importing that library. And basically, so let's actually just delete this thing here. So we're going to go to the Arduino library, and let's open up this guy. So this is basically that schematic symbol. So we have that, and then we can go into it in the design session how we actually import these libraries. But basically, come to library, and then library manager, open library manager, and then basically all you do is you click this little button here, imports from local disk, and then basically you can like import the libraries. So I did the same thing with that. A sensor. So we were throwing around temperature and humidity, and Adafruit has this breakout board. And then the best thing about it is they have schematics with it. Let's see, where is that at? Check out the learning guide, schematics. Where is it at? Schematic. Well, I downloaded the schematic, so if we go File, Open, and we open this up from here, and then here's the schematic. I want to make sure I get the right file here. That's the board. So here's the schematic. So here is the schematic for this breakout board, which gives you temperature and humidity on, I think, I2C or something. And then basically what we're going to do is, so in our schematic, we'll pull in this Arduino footprint, which looks like this in the actual circuit design layout. So here's the footprint here. Wow, it's getting all crazy here. So that's basically the footprint of the Arduino, and then what we're going to do is basically in our schematics is pull in the sensors that we want, and then recreate the circuits necessary for the sensors, and then basically let's see if we can. This is why I'm newer with select, deselect. I'm newer with Fusion, so I'm hoping. Let's see. Okay, so if we hit M, move group, and then you can like move this thing around like this, and we put the board there. So that's basically like the footprint, and then here is that sensor for the humidity and temperature. And what we'll do is the schematic, you build up all the traces and put your passives in there, like your resistors, capacitors, and whatever, and then we'll actually do the routing here. So just a quick like getting ready for our design session. Excited to kind of see what we come up with. If anyone has any suggestions or ways to improve on this, definitely excited to hear about them. So see ya.